stylish wardrobe designs. Our detailed videos cover various wardrobe styles such as sliding wardrobes, walk-in closets, mirrored cupboards, modular designs, open wardrobes, and more. We showcase both modern and traditional cupboard ideas tailored for bedrooms, guest rooms, and dressing area, helping you find the best solution for your space and lifestyle. Number 2. Kitchen cover ideas. Explore a vast collection of kitchen cover layouts, from contemporary glossy finishes to the rustic wood tones. Number 3. Living room storage units. Discover clever cupboard ideas for your TV lounge, living room, and study areas. From entertainment until to wall-mounted shelf, custom cabinets, and multi-purpose cupboards, we present ideas that offer elegance and utility in our seamless design. No matter your background, if you love beautiful spaces and want to go the most out of your storage areas, this channel is for you. Our content is baked by experienced designers and architects who share real-world advice and pro tips on choosing the right materials, finishes, colors, and layouts. We simplify